Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I recently purchased this. Um, Let me just come around this way so you can see it. But I recently purchased this horn. So I have a horn, a dedicated horn, a dedicated light. The reason why I put it separate lights and just instead of just having this right here is because these wirings are too small. The wires are so thin that it usually burns the wire of most of these things. These two are pretty good. These are fat wires, but this is not. And the problem with the good and bad things about the fat wires versus the smaller wires is that the fat wires can carry more current, so they won't have a problem of short circuiting your wires or anything like that. But the problem is these come with smaller wires, so even if you connect a horn to it, you got to make sure it's a little bit thicker, and it's just a lot going into it. So I just decided to make it all dedicated separate wires. So my lights would have, as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3 lights, and they're all connected. And I'm actually gonna have a fourth one at the back. I actually have two lights. There's one right here, and there's another one right here, super bright. I'm gonna connect it soon with my two controllers. So I'm not gonna show you everything. So what I did was, it is kind of confusing because I looked online, I checked online, and a lot of these things are very confusing. So I want to set the record straight. Now, the way this works is these two wires right here. Okay. Let me point to it. See, these two wires are the horn wire, right? This wire I ran out from the battery source from these from the lights, my light source, pretty much. So I ran it out of that. So because you can see, this is a red wire and that's the black wire. Online they're showing you a certain way to connect certain things. All these extra stuff that you don't really care for, they don't even give you one that actually has a wire coming through from the the uh the horn switch. So this is how it works. If you have a red and black wire from the horn, what you have to do is you have to connect the red wire to the battery source, red. So red switch to red battery, right? The second one is the black, right here, the black battery to the black horn. Okay. And then the last one, this is where it gets confusing because you're like, oh, if I connect a negative and positive, I'm going to have a problem. No, actually, the horn, they're both the same circuits. I mean, I don't know how to really explain it, but they're both the same. I don't think there's probably a negative and positive. I think it's, no, sorry, it's the horn. They said the horn, it doesn't matter which side you put it on, it's all the same. So I don't know, I don't understand how that works. Maybe they're both grounded. I guess that's what it means. So you take the last one and you have to plug in is the red horn to the black switch. And once you do that, let me just make sure this is connected before I show you guys. Show you guys how it works. I haven't connected it fully because I'm gonna solder it. So I'm just gonna connect it and then. Okay, so now that's fully connected. I'm gonna turn it on just to show you. And show you that it works. So now, turning on my battery, boom. As you can see, you don't even see my light source just to show you that's on. See, my light's on, boom. And this is the horn. It's pretty loud, so there you go. Damn, that's loud. Anyway, guys, as you can see, it works. So that's the real way to connect this thing and not what you see online. So hopefully that can help you guys, for all the people that actually are trying to connect stuff that is not working the way you guys need it to work. That's how you connect it. All right, guys. Till next time. Peace. Signing out. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps my channel. All right, guys. See ya.